If you have a family of 4, you know how important it is to have a washing machine that can handle a lot of laundry. You need a machine that is durable and can handle large loads. You also need a machine that has a number of different settings so you can wash all types of fabrics. With so many different machines on the market, it can be hard to know which one is right for your family. This video will provide the best washing machines for a family of 4 based on those factors. Our first choice is LG 8 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-loading washing machine. A good washing machine is hard to come by, and an even harder one to find is one that is both affordable and effective. The LG 8 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-loading washing machine is just that. It has a 5-star rating, making it energy efficient and thus, saving you money on your electricity bill. In addition, it has a capacity of 8 kilograms, which is perfect for a family of 4. Our second choice is Whirpool 8 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-loading washing machine. Whirlpool is one of the most trusted brands when it comes to home appliances. The 8 kg 5-star semi-automatic top-loading washing machine is no exception. With a 5-star rating, this washing machine is sure to give your clothes a thorough clean while being gentle on them. The semi-automatic top-loading design means that you don't have to worry about overloading the machine and damaging your clothes. Our third choice is Bosch 8 kg 5-star inverter touch control fully automatic front-loading washing machine. The Bosch 8 kg 5-star inverter touch control fully automatic front-loading washing machine is a high-end washing machine that offers a variety of features and benefits. It has a 5-star rating, making it one of the most energy-efficient washing machines on the market. The inverter touch control panel makes it easy to select the desired cycle and settings. The machine also features a child lock function to prevent accidental changes to the settings. Our fourth choice is IFB 8 kg 5-star fully automatic front-loading washing machine. Today's market offers a wide variety of washing machines, making it difficult to find the perfect one. When searching for a washing machine, one should consider factors such as energy efficiency, capacity, and price. The IFB 8 kg 5-star fully automatic front-loading washing machine is an excellent choice that meets all of these criteria. It uses advanced technology and modern features to provide an efficient and convenient washing experience. Our last choice is Comfee portable washing machine. If you are looking for a washing machine that is both reliable and portable, then you should consider the Comfee portable washing machine. This product can help to make your laundry day less of a hassle. It is designed to be easy to use and perfect for apartments, dorms, or any other space where a traditional washer may not fit. It has a 3.6 cubic foot capacity tub and a powerful washing system that will get your clothes clean every time. If you are enjoying our video, please subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, that is know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching the video.